Have you ever imagined being alive even after death? Well, animals are fortunate enough to experience life even after death. Not all animals, but a few animals even live after dying. We humans adore immortality, yet we can never achieve it. A few of the animals have been living the dream. So let's find out 10 of those amazing animals that are capable of living after death. Here we go. Number 1. Cockroaches. Cockroaches are small bugs that are privileged to survive even a nuclear war. Also, a number of scientists say that cockroaches can live without their heads. Cockroaches possess an open circulatory system which requires little to no blood pressure. When their heads are chopped off, the wound automatically heals through clotting, and they are able to survive this difficult event. Nevertheless, without heads, cockroaches will die just because they will not be able to eat. Basically, they die of hunger. Number 2. Bees. Bees find their place on this list because of the fact that they can sting you even after their death. The basic elements of the bees that live after death is their ability to sting, and their venom that is still active after they have died. However, when a bee dies, it is not active in terms of actions and movements. The bees would require someone's assistance so that they can sting after death. Number 3. Flies. Flies have been known to survive extremely cold temperatures. Especially, female flies are known to live after they have been truncated. Even if a female fly's head is chopped off, it will continue to fly and move. Basically, not much would change even if they have no heads. However, slowly and gradually, they will move towards their final breath. Number 4. Chickens. Chickens can run and be energetic even if they have no heads. Yes, if you see a headless chicken running, do not get scared and don't think it is a ghost. It is actually a chicken that is living without the head. It is said that the fact behind a chicken living after its head is chopped off is because of human error. While a lot of functions of a chicken are controlled by the brainstem mostly, if a butcher chops off the chicken's head from quite above, it would mean that the brainstem would still be working, leaving the chicken with a hope to live. Number 5. Octopus. A number of YouTube videos, or the ones available on National Geographic, would make you witness an octopus living after it is chopped off. Also, having a live octopus for dinner is considered to be a lip-smacking dish. To be honest, when the octopus is chopped off, its arms and legs continue to function and move thereby. The octopus legs and arms are active when it is chopped off because the main nerve cells of the octopus do not lie in the brain. Rather, they are present in the tentacles. So, the legs and arms continue to react to the stimuli even after they are no longer connected to the brain. Number 6. Salamander. The list of animals that have life after death cannot be completed without including salamander. These reptiles are considered to be immortal and are quite stubborn. A few people say that salamander is capable of growing its body parts again and again. A protein is found in the cells of salamanders that provide them the strength to regenerate their body parts. A similar protein is found in us humans. However, it is present in small quantity which helps us to heal our wounds. Number 7. Frogs. Frogs are capable of living with a dead brain, so when they have literally no brain functioning, they can still live. The neurologist David Ferriel in the 19th century proved that a frog without a brain is extremely similar to the one with an active brain. Plus, when you would turn the frog upside down, it will have the strength to go back on its feet with no brain. Number 8. Turtles. It is said that turtles can live for a very long time without active brains. When it comes to loggerhead sea turtle, it can live for 5,000 hours without brains. Plus, this animal is capable of generating energy from its skin and throat. Apart from that, their hearts are too much strenuous, they still function if they are not receiving any signals from the brain. Number 9. Snakes. Snakes are tall, limbless, carnivorous reptiles and stinging animals. Do you really think that chopping the head of a snake would do the trick and you would be able to avoid being bitten by it? Well, you are wrong. Snakes have the ability to bite you through the head which has been dislocated from its body. It possesses deadly venom which will not spare you even with half of its strength. Number 10. Alligators. When the temperatures are freezing cold, the alligators appear to be dead, but they are actually breathing through a very unique trick. This state of living is known as brumation. So, during brumation, the metabolism of the alligator slows down. It means that the alligators can go on to live without food for several months. They stick their snouts out of the water in order to breathe while the rest of their body would be freezing, and they would look as if they have died. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.